Here's a quick review on this case. Here is by Spigen. This is the thin fit ring design. This is for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Okay, and you can see what this looks like here. Let me go ahead and take this off first. So we're going to go ahead and pop this piece off first, like that, and you can see how it's connected there. Right there. Let me take off the bottom here. Start off on this side here. Oops. And you can see the case here. It's basically a hard plastic here. You got an opening here for your volume rockers and your power button here. And I mean, it seems like pretty decent quality, but again, it's just hard plastic. And we're going to go ahead and put this on, and I'll show you that it can charge and all that, no problem. So we're going to go ahead and put it up here. Just pop the top in first, like that, and then the bottom part will pop in, just like that. And the second bottom part here, we're going to go ahead and put it on the bottom one here first. Press it in, and then press right there. And there you go. Okay, everything lines up perfectly. The camera, all the holes here, the speakers, mic, charging port. I mean, it's good quality case. Of course, you get the ring as here as well. And it's pretty strong too. Also, you can see like where the lenses are, you can see the lip here is like raised a little bit, just to give you a little bit of protection. So if you put it down on a hard surface, you're not going to scrape your lens. And also on the screen here, you can see the lip is like raised a little bit all across the screen as well on there. So if you have a hard surface and you scrub it around, it shouldn't scratch your screen. And then charging wise, or wireless charging, I mean, no problem with the cases on. This is a Samsung charger as well, okay? And then with the case on, even this Samsung flat charger here, this dual wireless charging. Also power share, where you can charge other devices like a different phone or whatnot on here. It'll work with the case as well. Also, I forgot to mention, but it does come with a screen protector as well, which I didn't put on. But yeah, there you go. I mean, I definitely like it. And it's not slippery or nothing like that. I mean, even this bottom part here, I mean, it's not slippery. Feels good. Definitely good quality. And there you go.